lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a very quick review and demo on how to use these soak-off caps from Beauty Big Bang store. These silicone soak-off caps are meant to remove gel polishes, and they also remove glitter polishes very easily and without any hassle. This come in a set of 5, very nicely packed in this box, and the product retails for $3.99 on their website. So if you are interested in purchasing this product, then check the links in the description box below. There is also a code that will give you 10% off any regular priced item. Now, since these nail caps are made out of silicone, they are reusable. You can use them over and over again. So they are eco-friendly, and all the instructions on how to use these soak-off caps are written on the back side of this box. So they are very well illustrated. You can see it's a no-brainer. You can easily understand all the instructions on how to use it. So out of the box they look like this. I believe the caps are of all the caps are of the same size, so I don't see any difference in the size, and the quality is really well made, so they are of good quality. And basically you just stick some cotton soaked in acetone into these caps, and you put your nails inside it and soak it off. So I'm just checking how they fit. So for my thumb it's a little bit tight without the cotton. It's very snug. For rest of my nails I had a little bit of wiggle room, so putting the cotton won't be a difficulty, but on my thumb it might be a little bit of problem because it will be very tight. So I just took a little piece of cotton and I soaked it in acetone. I don't use 100% acetone. Mine is like acetone with vitamin E. So I'm just soaking it, and the cotton I'm kind of concentrating on my nails only, not on my skin. And I'm just putting the cap, and as you can see there is a lot of spillage. It's so tight that it spilled a lot of acetone on my silicone mat. So basically I'm doing the same thing for the rest of my nails, and there was a spillage because I'm used to soaking my cotton a lot and then putting the foils. So this one was a little bit of tight, so there was a little bit of spillage. Now I'll soak them for 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'll see how well they remove my gel mani. So I'll be back after 20 minutes. So it's been 20 minutes already, and it's the moment of truth. Let's see how they work. So I just took it off. I wiggled a little bit of the cotton, and it is amazing. So I'm really impressed. My entire gel came off without any residue and or something like that. This product is really good. So let's try another nail and let's see if it works like this or not. So once again I'm taking it off, and a little bit of wiggle, and there is a little bit of like stubborn patches on this one. So what I did is I took my cuticle pusher and I just gave it a little bit of nudge so that it can come off. I'm not putting a lot of pressure, it's just a little bit of nudge, so it came off without a lot of effort. So I am really impressed with this product. It does makes the gel polish removal really easy. So this is how my nails work. After removing the gel polish, I'll just apply a lot of cuticle oil now. And coming to the product, I am really impressed. I cannot say how much I like this product. It's value for money. So if you are thinking of buying this product, then I will definitely recommend go ahead and buy this. You won't regret. So it does makes gel polish removal really easy and a lot of mess free. So that's all I have for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this quick review, and if you did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to check my other tutorials, and if you haven't already, then please hit the red subscribe button and be a part of this lovely family. I would love to see you guys around. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye.